Hello, hi, and assalamu alaikum, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and fit, safe, staying at home. Okay, children, I can read your mind voice. Yes, we all are fed up with the grammar class, isn't it? Yes, so today I'm going to present to you the most important 5 marks for your public exam. Yes, it is notice writing and poster making. Without much ado, let's get started with the topic. My dear students, kindly note down that notice making comes under question number 41, which is the most important question for 5 marks. Okay, now let's see what is a notice. Notice is a written or a printed piece of information targeted for a specific group of people. Have you seen notice anywhere? Yes, of course. We have got notice board in front of our school, even inside some of the classes, in front of the general public gathering places. So notice highlights something, provides some important information to a group of people. Okay, clear? So that is notice. So what does a notice usually covers? Number 1, it covers an event. Number 2, an inauguration. Inauguration means starting up a new factory or industry or organization. That is called inauguration. Next, it covers a function, and finally, some general instructions. Now let's see some of the most important key points while writing your notice. Students, just keep it in your mind that the notice should not extend more than 50 words. So, only relevant points needs to be addressed. Whichever the points is necessary for the particular notice only has to be mentioned. The next point, present the notice in a proper format. There is a particular format for writing notice. You have to follow only that particular format. Third point is try to write notice in indirect speech or passive voice. Students, the body of the notice is very important. The need, purpose of writing, about the event, these things has to be mentioned properly. So let's see what we have to mention in the first. So what is the purpose of the notice? That has to be mentioned. So what is the notice about? Who it is addressed to whom the notice is addressed to, that also has to be mentioned properly. Where is the event is going to held, when it is going to happen. So where and when plays an important role, mentions time and place. What to do? The instructions are written related to the notice. So whenever you make a notice, keep it in your mind that what are the instructions related to the notice you are going to write. And finally, to whom you are going to display the notice. Whom to contact or to whom to get in touch with. So to whom you have to contact about the information given in the notice. All these things you have to keep it in mind. So what are the key points? What, who, where, when, what to do, and whom. I hope it is pretty clear for you. Now let's see the format of the notice. So here is the format of notice. The first and foremost thing you have to keep it in your mind before writing a notice is to make a margin. Margin is very compulsory, which actually gives you a mark. The next thing you have to mention is the name of organization, from which school or which institution or from which company you write this notice from. That has to be mentioned. The next one is you have to mention clearly that it is a notice. Writing the heading as notice is very important. Next, we have to mention the date on which the notice is going to be present to. So date of notice also has to be mentioned at the left top corner. In the middle, you have to mention the title or headline. The title may be Annual Day Sports Meet, or Annual Day Function, or Fancy Feet Function, or related to a trip, anything maybe. Okay, the next one should be the body of the notice. Keep it in mind, the body of the notice content should not exist more than 50 words. It should be short, crispy, catchy, and very pleasantable. Finally, at the bottom, you have to mention your signature, your name, and your designation. For example, Radha, and your designation may be school pupil leader. So once again, I repeat the main characteristics of the format. So it includes the word notice, date, heading, writer's name, and designation. The content must be very clear and it should answer the questions like what, when, where, how, etc. So the content should be very clear, it should have some relevance, and the grammatically it should be very accurate and fluent. The order of presentation should be clear, the state of purpose of notice should be clear, the content should include all necessary informations like for a meeting, the time, venue, date and agenda. Use impersonal language, that is third person, and avoid I and you while writing. Give the designation of the writer just below the signature. The date of writing notice is generally at the top. So these are the points you have to remember while writing the notice. Now let's see an example. So the question starts like this. You are the secretary of activities club in your school. The annual day program is to be held next month. Write a notice for the school display board in this reference. So this is your notice on behalf of your school. So as you are the secretary, you have to display the notice in the notice board. So let me read and show you how. First, the organization name. So ABC School, Ahmedabad. So the next one, the heading notice, and top left corner you have to mention the date. The date must be in this format only, that is 10th January 2019. Coming to the main heading, otherwise called the purpose of the notice, that is the annual day celebrations. So here the content starts. This is to inform all the students that this is actually you have to mention in all your notice. Whenever you start, use this phrase particularly. So this is to inform you that. Otherwise, this is to inform all the students that. Clear? Now let's move on. So this is to inform all the students that the school's annual day function will be held on 10th Jan 2019. Now next we have to mention the time. When from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. at Dev Mal. So Dev Mal is a venue you have to mention. Ahmedabad's collector Dr. Vikrant Pandey will grace the occasion as chief guest. So this you have to highlight who is going to host the program, who is the chief guest of the program. That also if you suggest in your notice, that would be a big highlight for your notice. Okay, the next point will be welcoming all the students. So every student needs to collect their passes from their respective class teacher to attend the annual day function. So this is how your content should be very crispy, clear and neat. And the last, you have to mention your signature Nihir. The main name of yours is now Nihir Shah, and what is your designation? You are the secretary of the school. That's it. So this is the format. Now again you have another example. You are either Ganesh or you are Gayatri. Maybe you are a head girl or a head boy of your school. Head girl means like school pupil leader. Yes. So write a notice for your school notice board informing the students about the fancy feast that is going to be organized in your school campus on the 10th of next month. This is the question which has been asked at the book bag. Okay children, now let's see how we have to write the notice. Yes, here it is. Let's start. The heading is notice, which institution you are from, any school you can mention. The purpose of this notice is related to fancy feet. Yes, now next you have to mention your date, which should be in this format as I already told you, 17 Jan 2020. Greetings to all. It is hereby informed to all the students that, otherwise you can write, this is to inform you all that, like that, okay? So it is hereby informed to all the students that our school has planned to organize the Fancy Fit on the 10th of February 2020. All the interested students are invited to enroll themselves and turn it into a great event through your valuable presence and participation. So in this body of this notice, they have mentioned the details, place and venue, and they have invited also. And they have given time and venue separately in a box just to highlight, otherwise to get the attraction. So feel free to contact us for more details by Ganesh, head boy and so school. So this is how you have to present a notice. Children, I hope you are pretty clear with notice writing. Now let's proceed with the poster making. Both are two different topics. Shall we see what is a poster making? Posters are placards displayed in a public place announcing or advertising something. It is attached to a wall or vertical surface. Generally, posters are notices, advertisements, and invitations, all in one. It includes both texts and pictures. So, what is the purpose of preparing a poster? The purpose of designing a poster is either to create social awareness about issues related to current problems and needs, or to advertise, or even to extend public invitations and display notices. Now let's see how to draft a poster. These are the points to be remembered before making a poster. They are: poster should be colorful, attractive, and tempting. First of all, make a poster within a box. So compulsory, you have to write a poster with a box. Number 2, poster should be visually attractive, informative, colorful, and tempting, or eye-catching. It must catch the attention of the onlookers. Thirdly, the title should be catchy. Highlight the main topics of the poster by writing in bold and capital letters in order to draw attention of the public. And the fourth point is, a suggestive or a relevant slogans or jingles or phrases should be used. Some catchy slogans can also be used. Simple drawings or sketches or cartoons can also be used to attract the attention. Number 6, letters may be of different sizes and shapes, or size of letters can be made small or bold, light or dark. 7th point, include all the important details like time, date, venue, etc. in case of an event. Number 8, name of the issuing authority or organization to be given. Number 9, include suggestions, that is do's or don'ts. Number 10, content of a poster must contain the main theme or subject. Number 11, maintain the word limit of 50 words maximum. It should not exceed more than 50 words. Let's see an example. This is the question for you. You are Raja or Rani. Design a poster in not more than 50 words. it should be attractive. So simply you have to prepare a poster and it should be very creative. Let's see how it gives. Save water, save earth. So what is the theme of this poster? Save water, save earth. You can draw a very neat diagram as you know such at any corner of your poster, and before writing it should be covered with a margin or box. You can highlight a slogan or catchy word at another corner of your box. Then you can jot down the most important content of the poster. That is, you can give the do's or don'ts. So here they have given do's: close taps after every use buckets for bathing, cleaning, etc. Use wastewater for washing vehicles and watering plants. Collect rainwater through harvesting, and check for leaks in water taps and pipes. Finally, give a catchy slogan: water is elixir of life, save every drop. Another one, prepare a poster on a blood donation camp. So this is another question for you, which is very highly demanded question in the society. So the poster is like this. So blood donation camp, that is the heading of this poster. You don't have to be a doctor to save lives. This is a catchy slogan. Draw a picture in the middle or either side. Highlight the points: blood donor, lifesaver. Give the message do's, like just donate blood, it's safe, simple, saves life, free certificate for volunteers. Yes, so you have to mention who organized. So it was organized by Lions Club, Cuddalore. You can also mention the venue where the blood donation camp is going to be held. So the place is Anna Stadium, Cuddalore. Date 15th August 2019. Time from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and contact address also can be given. This time, date and place is not applicable for save water, the before example. Children, please use your presence of mind, like where you have to mention date, time, contact number, etc. It plays a major role in preparing poster. So my dear children, I hope you are pretty clear with both notice writing and poster making. Now I would like to show you another sample of a poster making. Please have a look. So here is an assignment for you. The assignment comes from both the topics which we have seen. So number 1, notice writing, and number 2 is poster making. So these are the 2 questions which I have given you for the assignment. Do complete your assignment on time and send it tomorrow by 6 p.m. Okay children, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Inshallah, next week I'll catch you with a new topic. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum. Take care. Bye-bye.